So here's one for you. These are the lines that or the stripes that I painted on the hallway wall. Get a lot of people saying, oh, I like the wallpaper. It's not wallpaper, it's just painted on. And you can do all sorts of, you can have different thickness stripes. I've seen people do it on like different angles and stuff. But it's fairly easy to do. Basically, you just need to choose the colour that you want. Work out how wide you want the stripes. Personally, I think these ones could have been a little bit narrower, maybe had more stripes, but looks alright at the minute. So yeah, quite easy to set out as well. I mean, you get a really good finish as well if you use the frog tape. It's like a narrower sort of masking tape, and it's peels off quite easy. And you get like a nice finish on the edge, nice clean edge. So yeah, basically what you need to do is work out the size of your stripes, how thick you want them. You'll have to measure your wool from the top and the bottom of so from the top of the skirting to obviously the ceiling. And then you want to obviously divide it all up so you've got some nice even spacing. Get your masking tape. You need a pencil, a tape measure, and a level. And obviously you want to sort of mark one end, and then use your level. The longer the level, the better. And then level it all across. Make sure they're all straight. And then mask it all off with your masking tape. So obviously you'd mask this side and that side, and then you'd paint the middle bit. And obviously what you want to do is, before it's dried, you want to pull the masking tape off, because if you let the paint dry, you will get well, it will pull the paint off the wall if you're not careful. So you want to whip that off while the paint's still wet. But yeah, easy to do, a lot easier than wallpapering. Like I say, you can do different widths in your lines, your stripes. You can probably have different colours, whatever you fancy. But yeah, give it a go. Turn out alright.